Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. It is important that the program is fully loaded before proceeding. Once you see the application window, locate the presentation you are working on by opening the desired file. This presentation will serve as the base to which you plan to add additional slides from another presentation. After you have your active presentation ready on the screen, direct your attention to the top of the interface. Here you will find several tabs that control different functionalities. Locate and click on the Insert tab. This tab provides access to numerous commands related to inserting or adding new elements into your presentation. By clicking on Insert, you open up an array of options designed to help you modify and enhance your slides. With the Insert tab active, the next step involves adding a new slide. You can find the option labeled New Slide positioned among the controls. Selecting New Slide will open up a drop-down menu, offering you several different slide layouts. However, the objective at hand is not simply to add a blank slide, but to integrate slides from another presentation. Rest assured that the New Slide option is the gateway to accessing the feature that allows you to reuse slides. Proceed with clicking on New Slide to reveal additional features. Within the menu that appears after clicking New Slide, you should locate the option to reuse a slide. This option is critical as it provides the functionality necessary to merge content from different presentations seamlessly. By choosing the Reuse Slide feature, you open up the platform's built-in mechanism for integrating content from a separate PowerPoint file. After selecting the Reuse Slide option, the interface presents you with the link labeled Open a PowerPoint file. This link is designed to help you navigate your computer's file system to locate the second presentation file you wish to merge. Click on this link and a File Explorer window will open on your screen, allowing you to browse through your folders and locate the presentation with the slides you need. Once you have the File Explorer open, carefully navigate through your stored files to find the specific PowerPoint file. It is advisable to have a clear idea of the file's location to make this step smoother. After locating the file, open it and wait for the application to load its contents. This process will display the slides contained in the presentation. After the slides from the selected file become visible, identify the specific slide you want to merge with your current presentation. This requires a brief review of the available slides, so take your time to ensure you are choosing the correct one. Once you have determined which slide best fits your current presentation, click on it. The selected slide will then be imported and integrated into the presentation you began with. Following these steps will allow you to merge two PowerPoint presentations fluidly. Each phase of the process, from opening the application to choosing the specific slide from another file, has been designed to ensure that even users who are new to PowerPoint can smoothly combine multiple presentations without frustration. The merging process not only saves time but also enhances the flexibility of your presentations, enabling you to compile diverse content into a single cohesive slide deck. Enjoy the simplicity of merging your slides and creating compelling presentations with ease.